You whisper promises on the colorful skies, but shadows move behind your lies. Every touch a silent sting, every word a poison ring. I saw the night in your betrayed eyes, a fire burning masked by disguise. How could love shoot me so deep? How could a vow make me bleed? Love, you pulled the trigger on my heart, shot it down before it could start. Every kiss now feels like war. I can't trust you anymore. Love pistols firing in the dark, breaking souls with every spark. I wanted heaven, found hell instead. Love pistols, bullets of red. Your lies like scars on my skin. I never knew where to begin. You said forever, now it's gone. Left me bleeding, left alone. Midnight echoes of our screams, shattered mirrors, broken dreams. The scent of betrayal in the air. I loved you blind, now I stare. Love pistols firing in the dark, shut it down before it could start. Every kiss now feels like war. I can't trust you anymore. Love pistols firing in the dark, breaking souls with every spark. I wanted heaven, found hell instead. Love pistols, bullets of red. Every memory a dagger twist, every embrace a hit or miss. I see you smile but feel the knife. You sold a love for fleeting life. The clock ticks loud inside my chest. I loved you more than all the rest. Now I'm drowning in your betrayal. A storm unleashed, love turned pale. Can't escape your phantom touch. I wanted you but loved too much. Every heartbeat a pistol fire, every breath feeds this fire. Love pistols firing in the dark, breaking souls with every spark. I wanted heaven, found hell instead. Love pistols, bullets of red. Love pistols ripping